wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best rotary cutters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. With fresh coloring and a non-slip handle, the Lyfstyle Quality Products Ultra brings a touch of style to your quilting or craft toolset. It features a tungsten carbide steel blade with a retractable guard to protect you and those around you when not in use. It's equipped with a blade tension dial for added control and a soft handle for a tight grip. However, it tends to wobble when cutting. At number 7, simple and straightforward, the Fiskars 45mm stick sports a symmetrical design that lets right and left-handed individuals use it equally well. A slide button extends the guard for safety, and its high-grade stainless steel cutting edge is durable. This one's backed by a lifetime warranty, but it tends to loosen and the blade can be difficult to change. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the rorabacks Premium has a contoured rubberized handle that makes it easy and comfortable to hold. It keeps a sharp edge thanks to titanium and also works with specialty blades, which are sold separately, such as those for pinking, waves and crochet. It retracts with a slide button, however it does require retightening occasionally, and it feels a bit cheaply built. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rotary cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Quilter's Cut Deluxe features a sculpted handle to improve the fit and reduce fatigue in your hand. Its blade automatically retracts when the handle is released, so you can't grab the sharp edge by mistake when reaching for your tool. This one's reversible for right or left-handers, but the construction feels flimsy and the edge can dull quickly. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Fiskars 45mm maintains its sharpness and features a looped slip-resistant handle to improve safety and control. The blade extends and retracts with a sliding button and can be assembled on either side of the handle for right or left-handers. It's equipped with a soft grip for comfort and a titanium-coated cutting edge. However, it can retract unexpectedly. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Olfa Splash combines precision cutting with the fun of lively colors, with 45mm models available in purple or aqua. The stainless steel blade stays sharp through lots of use, while a retractable guard helps prevent cuts to your fingers. It offers unrestricted cutting angles and a premium quality cutting edge, along with handle ridges to improve the grip. At number 2, the Evergreen Art Supply features a titanium-coated stainless steel blade that you can lock into cutting position with a button on the handle. The edge stays sharp and the ergonomic design reduces fatigue on your hands. This one comes with a 100% thrilled guarantee, and the blade retracts upon handle release. It's competitively priced too. And taking the top spot on our list, a quilter's favorite, the Olfa Deluxe is sturdy and versatile and can cut through 6 layers of fabric at once. You can assemble it for either your left hand or right, and it also accepts pinking, scallop or wave blades, which are not included. It features an anti-slip rubber handle and a dual-action locking mechanism. It works on a variety of materials. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rotary cutters, or simply click beneath this video.